Hi everyone, good morning. Now we are discussing the lesson Wildlife in a City Pond. I hope you all have enjoyed the story. In this lesson, we could understand that the speaker was trying to protect a pond which was having thousands of creatures like water plants, birds, and animals. So we could understand the importance of protecting our environment. Okay. Now let's get into the grammar part. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about adjectives and types of adjectives. Can you tell me what is an adjective? Can you anyone tell me? Yes, very good. An adjective is a word that modifies or qualifies a noun in a sentence. What is that? Yes, an adjective is a word that describes, qualifies, or modifies a noun in a sentence. Okay, it doesn't modifies a verb. It doesn't modifies an adverb, or it doesn't modifies another adjective. It modifies or qualifies or describes only a noun in a sentence. So what is an adjective? Yes, an adjective is a word that modifies a noun, only a noun in a sentence. For example, she met a beautiful girl. She met a beautiful girl. In this sentence, beautiful girl. Here the word beautiful modifies the noun. Which noun? Yes, girl. So beautiful is an adjective. Next one. I bought a red pen. I bought a red pen. Here, red pen. Red is an adjective because it describes the word pen. Red pen. Okay. Next one. I have planted a small sapling. Small sapling. Here the word small describes the word sapling. Sapling is a noun. Okay. So small is an example for adjective. So I hope adjective. What is adjective? It is clear. An adjective is a word that modifies a noun in a sentence. Example, enormous, small, beautiful, yellow, wild, etc. Now look at these adjectives. Sometimes it may describe size like big, small, large, etc. Then texture, it may tell about the texture of that noun, describe the noun, smooth, soft, hard, etc. Then shape, it may qualifies the shape of the noun, circle, square, flat, etc. Then feelings, there is a spelling mistake, it is feeling, feelings, angry, happy, funny, etc. Then time, it may describe time, ancient, early, fast, etc. Now let's try to make some sentences having these adjectives. For example, I have found a big ball. I have found a big ball. Here, big ball, big is an adjective. Then smooth. The cat is having smooth skin. Smooth skin. So the word smooth describes the noun skin. Next, circle. We are playing in a circle pond. We are playing in a circle pond. Next adjective is angry. So we can make a sentence with that. John play with angry pets. John play with angry pets. Then ancient. Those kings lived in ancient period. Those kings lived in ancient period. So here the word ancient describes the word period. Okay. So now you could understand what is an adjective. Let's discuss about kinds of adjectives now. There are 6 kinds of adjective that you are going to learn. First one, descriptive adjective, then demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, and interrogative adjective. Then what is descriptive adjective? Yeah, as the name shows, it describes or it tells about the nature or characteristics of a person, thing, or animal. For example, beautiful flower. Okay, the flower is beautiful, so we can say beautiful flower. Tall man, white car, yummy food, nice experience, wonderful day, etc. Okay, so descriptive adjectives tell about the nature or the characteristics of a person, animal, or thing. You can see more examples for descriptive adjective here. The next type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. So, demonstrative adjectives are used to demonstrate or point to a particular person, thing, or animal. So, demonstrative adjectives are used to point to a person, animal, or thing. So, normally we use 4 demonstrative adjectives: this, that, those, and these. Okay, so these are the demonstrative adjectives. This pen, if it is nearer, we can use this pen. Okay, if it is far, somewhat far from you, we can use that pen. Okay, so in the case of singular nouns, we can use this and that. If it is nearer to you, we can use this. If it is far from you, we can use that. But in the case of plural nouns, we can use these books. And if it is far, in the case of plural nouns, we can use those plants. Okay, so this, that, these, and those are the demonstrative adjectives. The next type of adjective is possessive adjective. So, what is possessive adjective? Yes, possessive adjectives are used to show something belongs to someone. That means it shows the ownership. It shows the ownership of something. Okay, so it shows that something belongs to someone. For example, his books. These are his books. My seat. This is my seat. My seat. So that belongs to me. Their team. Their team. Our classroom. Our classroom. His pen. Okay. So it shows the ownership, or we can say it shows that something belongs to someone. Okay. That is what possessive adjective. You can see more examples here. The next type of adjective is adjective of quantity. So, as the name indicates, it tells about the quantity of a noun, but we can't use to tell the exact number of a noun. That means we can use adjective of quantity, such adjectives, to tell about the quantity of a noun, but we should not use the exact number like 1 2 3 10 15 100. We can't use exact number in adjective of quantity. Such exact numbers we can use in numeral adjectives. Okay, so it indicates the quantity of a noun, and we should not use this to indicate the exact number of a noun. Okay, examples: many birds. There are many birds sitting on the tree. Many birds. I have drank enough water. Enough water. There are playing so many children. So many children. There is little water in the bottle. Little water. It also shows the quantity. Okay. So, adjective of quantity tell about the quantity of a noun, and we can't use the exact number of a noun here. Okay. Let's get into the next type of adjective. The next type of adjective is numeral adjective. As the name shows, it gives the number of a noun. Okay. It tells about the number of a noun like 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, 1000, etc. And it also gives the place of a noun in a sequence. The place of a noun in a sequence like first, second, third, fourth, etc. So it gives number as well as place of a noun in a sequence. For example, she has secured first position in the competition. First position. Okay. We are watching the second match. We are watching the second match. I have bought 2 bicycles. I have bought 2 bicycles. He got 10 gifts on his birthday. 10 gifts on his birthday. So, here we can see the numeral adjectives, the number of nouns as well as the place of a noun in a sequence. So, that is what numeral adjectives. The last type of adjective is interrogative adjective. What is interrogative? Yes, you are familiar with the word interrogative. Interrogative means questions. So, interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about the nouns. We can use different question words here like what, which, who, whose, etc. So, today we have discussed about adjectives and different types of adjectives. I hope it is clear. So, you can watch the video very carefully and prepare notes. So, take care. Bye.